Now you can see my desktop.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
SAP screen.
Yes, sir.
Excel screen. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what we were discussing last class? I think cost center accounting completed, correct? Let's go for internal order accounting. What are they doing? Internal order. So internal order accounting. So maybe I need to work a lot. Okay, please note it down, except this part. So remaining all, you write it down. Done, everyone? Okay, done. Hello.
Yes.
Everyone note it down.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Yeah, please note it down this also. So use it to plan, collect, and settle the cost for internal jobs and tasks. Done.
Done, sir.
So write down. So internal orders will be used to capture, plan our actual values, for a specific job, a specific activity, for a specific job, a specific activity in a particular period of time. In a particular period of time. So internal orders are two types. One is real order. And then statistical orders. So real orders and statistical orders. So real orders can settle it. Settlement can be done. Settlement can be done to any CO object or any FI object. Settlement cannot be done. Okay. Real internal orders can be posted directly. Cannot be posted directly. Without additional CO object. So that's the main thing. Integrated planning cannot be maintained. A statistical internal. So that's the major differences. So whether it is a real order, statistical order, we need to create a order type. This is important. First order type. So first thing is order category. Order category is important. So we have so many order categories. So please note it down, this order categories. So internal orders, accrual order, controlling model, CO production order also, PP broadcasting model.
जो चंदन तपड़िया साहब ने आपको सजेस्ट किया था, इन दोनों में आप बहुत जबरदस्त मुनाफा कमा रहे हैं अगर आपने हमारे टेक्निकल पैनल की राय दी थी। आशीष जी
बिल्कुल। अच्छा, इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स फिर से पहले 15,000 के साइकोलॉजिकली
I'll stop the session at 10 o'clock. Okay, so some doctor appointment is there. Need to go.
Okay, sir. No.
So everyone noted down this order types. So for internal orders, we use order category, 0-1 category. So accrual calculation of order also will use in only in CO model. Model order also will use in internal order accounting. CO production order is in broadcasting model. Broadcast collector also production broadcasting model. QM model is a QM model. PP production order is PP model. Network is a PS model. Maintenance order PM model. Process order also in a broadcasting model only. Inspection order QM model. Personal order is in a HR model. Shipping details, shipping deadlines in a logistics execution. Maybe let me put it in the somehow. So Zoom is giving the problem to me today. The next item, number ranges. So number ranges you can maintain internal number range or external number range. Both you can maintain. External number range. Next, settlement profile. See the settlement profile. The settlement profile only for real orders. So because statistical orders we cannot settle it. So for that settlement profile is not required. Only for real order types or real orders. Real orders. So settlement profile requires a lot of things, subcomponents. Settlement cost element is required. So 21 for internal settlement. 22 for external settlement. So what is the internal settlement means? The internal order to CO object you are settling, it's internal settlement. CO object to FI object you are settling, it's external settlement. Okay. Then allocation structure is required. Allocation structure is required, mandatory. And the allocation structure will be linked to the settlement profile. So that's the major settings are required. So planning profile. So planning profile is required. So how many years you want to plan? Yes for planning. And what is my past and future? Past years and future. How many years? Previous years we want to maintain. Future years we want to maintain. Normally 5 years will maintain. So and planning currency. In which currency you want to maintain the planning currency. Decimal values. So that's a planning profile. Budget profile, important. Budget profile. Yeah, that's the same concept. How many years for budgeting? Budget currency. And one more additionally here, budget tolerance. Budget tolerance. So 90% with warning message. So whenever reaching budget 95%, message and mail, warning message and mail. Message. So that is going to be maintained at a budget profile. So this is object class is very, very important. So the object class will have 4 things will be there. Overhead, capture the indirect overhead cost, and one for investments. Third thing is the production. Fourth one is profit analysis. These are the 4 classes. Okay. So this is we use for overhead cost allocation. This is for capital investments. That is called integrated with asset accounting. We'll talk about this with the integration with asset accounting. This is in broadcasting model. This is in COPA model. Okay. So object class will be used one by one later. Investment, overhead cost, production, profit analysis. Function area. So to default so function area in every internal order. So model order. This is also important. So to maintain the default values, like business area I want to default, okay. Function area I want to default, and object class I want to default. Profit center I want to. Some of the field values I want to make it default. Okay. So for this purpose, what we need to do? So we need to create a model order. We need to create a model order. Starts with the dollar. We can give anything. So create a model order. Starts with the dollar. So with order type, with the standard order type, $. So $$ is order type is provided by the SAP to create a model order. So what is the use of model order is to default. Default values. Default values for internal. So that's a use of model order. So commitments. So if you want to capture commitments, you have to activate commitments also. Commitment means whenever you're creating a production order, purchase order, commitment values will be updated. Commitments with purchase orders. And status profile. The status profile update the status of the order. So we have different statuses: CRTD status, created status, order release status, settlement status, close status, like this. So every order will have a status. Whenever we create a order, create a status, until unless you release the order, we cannot post anything. If you do the settlement status, if you close the order, close the status. That is going to be updated status. Okay. So one more option is the release immediately. Release immediately. So if you select the checkbox, order will be created with the release status. Okay, that's it. Practicality we'll see tomorrow's class. Okay. Thank you very much. Hello. So configuration we'll see tomorrow's class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So meanwhile, I'll set up everything in a Zoom. Okay.